Good evening, everyone. Last night I was talking about the rust holes that was in the roof of this 74 Plymouth Duster and how they looked rather small on the surface compared to how bad they would be underneath. Now, I just got finished peeling this thing back. Just wanted to show you what kind of mess is underneath here. So, if you run into a situation like that, you just find a little pinhole and you think, well, it can't be that bad. Well, think again. That's some pretty flaky rust. And I think what caused this problem is, I can't really see it much now, but right there was a spot where there was a little hole from the factory that was just, I guess, an imperfection in the roof panel, and it should have got filled with seam sealer or brazed over, and neither happened. And over the years, water has got in behind the little bit of a hole that was left there, and it got up underneath it, and of course water runs downhill with gravity and comes down here and starts rusting, and it had even rusted up underneath the lead. You see there, I've ground some of it away, but I don't want to get too carried away because we'll go through the A-pillar post there. Anyway, I've cut the other panel quite a bit larger, and what I'm going to do is just overlap it. I've got a line scribed back there. You can barely see it a little bit, but I'm going to sand the paint back and get down to bare metal, and I'm just going to keep doing spot welds across there. Take my time, go slow and easy so I don't warp the roof all up. And then do the same thing around this area here. I'm just going to keep doing a series of tack welds till I get a solid weld all the way around it. That way we don't have to worry about water getting underneath that. And after I get this welded down, I'm going to use JB Weld over the seam where the two pieces of metal go together where the welds are. Two reasons for this. JB Weld is an epoxy product. Alright? Epoxy sticks better to metal, glass, plastic than just about any product out there in the world. Okay? Also, the epoxy will not shrink like body filler will. Now, if you don't want to use epoxy, you can use kitty hair or tiger hair. The kitty hair is fine strand reinforced fiberglass body filler, and the tiger hair is a coarse strand fiberglass reinforced body filler. I like the kitty hair better just simply because it's easier to mix the hardener all in with it. The long strands, they just swirl all around. It's kind of a mess. And then trying to wipe it, and get it to stay where you want, the strands keep pulling all the body filler away from where you want it. So to me, the kitty hair is the easier one to use, and that's what I'm going to use on this. So that's what my preference is for all the lead. A lot of people ask, why do you take the lead out? Well, I've seen time and time again how the lead, for some reason, paint material, body filler just does not want to stick to it. So I take it out, and I'll either put the fiberglass reinforced body filler right over where the lead was at, or I'll put some JB Weld over the seams, and then I can use regular body filler over that. It's, your preference, whichever one you use. If you get the fiberglass reinforced body filler, I believe it was AutoZone. It was one of the box stores that sold it for a gallon. It was about $35 or $36 a gallon. That's the best way to get it, because if you go down here to Walmart, I think it's like, it's between $16 to $19 a quart for the kitty hair. So that's my suggestion. There's a little update for tonight. Getting ready to clean all this mess out of here and get our wire brushed, put some epoxy underneath it, and then put the piece off the donor car, which was a 75 Plymouth Duster. Gonna tack weld all that on there and then do like I said. So there's our update for tonight. Thanks for watching. Hope you like my videos. Like the video, share, and subscribe to the channel. Appreciate it.